Pilipinas. Mga igsuon, mga kaparintihan, salamat kayo sa pag-celebrate sa birthday sa among mama. And let's enjoy the night and welcome everybody. Thank you. Happy birthday, ma.
Okay, thank you so much. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Carmen, please. You have to make a wish first before you need to blow your candle. Okay, make a wish first. Nice. Mag-wish ang kadaan before ka mag-blow sa iyong candle. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Give another hand of applause, please, to our nanay cousin, Jacob Gayon. Okay? So, magpapili sa magtindog and let us all bless our beautiful girl tonight. Kanito magkanang let us all stand. And hangyo na po.
We can disguise.